Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
As previously mentioned in Technically Speaking, we were in the lookout for the following scenarios. 1. The index will rebound off its 200-day SMA and make a higher low. 2. Breach the 200 SMA and retest 6,400. Or 3. Trade below 6,400 and touch on the support of the downtrend channel at 6,200. Among the scenarios laid out, it seems that scenario 1 is in play. The PSEi managed to rebound and made a higher low. From here we can draw a trend line pointing upwards. If this new path is followed, then the current downtrend channel may be invalidated. So far, the indicators we are monitoring still point to continued recovery.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Global Ferronickel Holdings Incorporated. Last April, FNI broke out of two key resistance areas: 1. The resistance of its downtrend channel, and 2. Its 50-day simple moving average. Looking at the stock's price action from the breakout up to present, we can also spot an inverse head and shoulders pattern. The formation is considered a reversal pattern, and if breached, further upside may be anticipated. Currently, FNI is trading at 1.93. If the reversal formation is broken, we may enter a position at 1.99 and set our target at 2.60. For risk management, place your stop level at 1.75 and apply proper sizing as risk-reward is below 3-to-1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.